doing a video of the train station. Showing next bit in a second, folks. That's a bit of the tram service, folks. A bit of lovely artwork, folks. Showing next bit in a second, folks.
When I was younger, this would be like where we go.
It's a Loxley house, folks. Looks like it's shut by the look of things, folks. Or they're shut early, but looks like it's shut, folks. Look like it. Oh, it's open, folks. So I'm gonna have to leave that bit, folks. Yeah, so a bit of the river, folks. That's Loxley House, lovely building, folks. Here next bit in a second, folks. Some of the building work in Nottingham, folks. I'll pause this and I'll take a minute, folks. And not sure what this will be, but this is a new bit near Broadmarsh, folks. This is a garden bit near Broadmarsh. And that's what'll be the new Broadmarsh bit, folks. But obviously they wouldn't able to do anything in Loxley House because as soon as I seen that bloke, I made sure he wasn't on camera, so he would have reported me. He wouldn't able to do anything anyway, folks. And that's a bit of the Broadmarsh, folks. I might do this 5-minute mark, folks, and then I might cram in a couple of shots and then cram in a longer one, 35-minute one, because before 4 anyway, folks. Yeah, I just had to wait till them people cleared up, and that's what they're doing some building work down here. Let's wait till this bloke clears off. You're doing some building work down here. It looks like this is going to be something like stayed bit by the look of things, folks. And that's the rear end bit, folks. So I'll cut it now, and thanks for watching, folks.